Hi everyone, I'm Jenna from Naperville, Illinois. This week's topic is me who had stubbornness. When I think about being stubborn, just one situation came up in my mind. I was about 4 or 5 years old. I don't remember what I did wrong, but my father was very upset because I did something to my grandma, and he told me to say sorry to her, but I didn't want it to. My father made me stand facing the wall until I apologized. But at the end, I finally said, I'm sorry. It looked like I had given up, but really, I hadn't. My stubborn mind was still there. As I grow older, there were many times I gave up my own ideas or behaviors. But many times, I only gave up on the outside. Inside, my mind was still refusing to accept the situation. In that way, my mind was still like that 4-year-old child. Usually, we judge stubbornness by someone's action. We think, I'm not stubborn because I don't argue. But today, I want you to look at your mind. Did you truly accept their opinion, their behavior, and who they are? Or did you only stay quiet while still holding on to your own thoughts? In many cases, we may find that our mind is still stubborn. As you meditate this week, take some time to look back when you were still holding on to your own thoughts, feelings, even if you didn't show it on the outside. Guys, have a good meditation. Bye-bye.